If you're over 50, your morning coffee could be slowly damaging your heart, your bones, and even your memory, without you realizing it. That's right. The very drink you rely on to kickstart your day might be secretly sabotaging your health. But don't worry. I'm here to help you navigate the complex world of coffee and its effects on your aging body. I'm Dr. Sarah Thompson, a board-certified geriatrician with over 20 years of experience in senior health. I've seen firsthand how the right, or wrong, coffee choices can impact the well-being of my patients. Today, I'm going to share with you the 3 worst coffees you should never touch if you're over 50, and the 3 you absolutely must drink daily for optimal health. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which coffees to avoid, which ones to embrace, and how to make your daily brew work for you, not against you. You'll be armed with the knowledge to protect your heart, strengthen your bones, and keep your mind sharp well into your golden years. Let's start with the coffees you need to steer clear of. First on our list is the sugar-laden, whipped cream-topped Frappuccino. It might taste like heaven, but it's a nightmare for your health. These drinks can pack up to 500 calories and 60 grams of sugar in a single serving. That's more than double the recommended daily sugar intake for adults. Excess sugar consumption has been linked to increased inflammation, which can exacerbate joint pain and accelerate cognitive decline. Instead, opt for a simple black coffee or an Americano with a splash of milk. Next up, avoid those tempting flavored coffee creamers. They're often loaded with artificial ingredients, trans fats, and high fructose corn syrup. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that regular consumption of these creamers was associated with a 36% higher risk of heart disease in adults over 50. If you need to lighten your coffee, use a small amount of real milk or a plant-based alternative like unsweetened almond milk. Lastly, steer clear of cheap, low-quality coffee beans. These are often contaminated with mycotoxins, harmful compounds produced by molds that grow on coffee beans. Research has shown that chronic exposure to mycotoxins can lead to kidney damage and weaken your immune system. Invest in high-quality organic coffee beans to ensure you're getting a clean, toxin-free brew. Now, let's talk about the coffees you should be drinking every day. First on the list is a classic, black coffee. It's rich in antioxidants called polyphenols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and protect against age-related diseases. A study in the New England Journal of Medicine found that people who drank at least 3 cups of black coffee a day had a 10% lower risk of death from all causes compared to non-coffee drinkers. Next, consider adding a shot of espresso to your daily routine. Espresso has a higher concentration of beneficial compounds compared to regular drip coffee. It's particularly rich in caffeic acid, which has been shown to boost brain health and potentially reduce the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Just remember, moderation is key. Stick to 1 or 2 shots a day to avoid sleep disruptions. Lastly, don't overlook the power of green coffee. Made from unroasted coffee beans, green coffee is packed with chlorogenic acid, a potent antioxidant. Research published in the journal Diabetes, Metabolic Syndrome, and Obesity found that green coffee extract significantly reduced blood pressure and improved glucose metabolism in older adults. Try swapping out one of your regular coffees for a green coffee extract drink. Now, let's dive deeper into a key factor that can make or break your coffee habit: brewing method. The way you prepare your coffee can significantly impact its health benefits. Cold brew coffee, for instance, has gained popularity not just for its smooth taste, but for its potential health advantages. Cold brew is made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water for 12 to 24 hours. This slow extraction process results in a coffee that's less acidic and easier on your stomach, a crucial consideration for many over 50 who may struggle with acid reflux or sensitive digestion. Moreover, cold brew retains more of the beneficial compounds found in coffee beans. A study in the journal Scientific Reports found that cold brew coffee had higher levels of certain antioxidants compared to hot brewed coffee. These antioxidants, including chlorogenic acids, have been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and lower risk of type 2 diabetes, conditions that become more prevalent as we age. To incorporate cold brew into your routine, try making a batch at home. Use coarsely ground, high-quality coffee beans and steep them in cold water overnight. Strain the mixture and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. You can enjoy it cold or heated up, depending on your preference. Now, let me share with you a little-known secret that could revolutionize your coffee experience: the power of adding adaptogens to your brew. Adaptogens are natural substances that help your body adapt to stress and promote overall well-being. One particularly beneficial adaptogen for those over 50 is lion's mane mushroom. Lion's mane has been used in traditional medicine for centuries, but recent scientific research has unveiled its impressive cognitive benefits. A study published in the International Journal of Medicinal Mushrooms found that lion's mane extract improved cognitive function in older adults with mild cognitive impairment. Adding a teaspoon of lion's mane powder to your morning coffee can provide a powerful boost to your brain health. It may help improve memory, focus, and even mood. Plus, it has a mild, slightly sweet taste that complements coffee well. To wrap things up, remember, your daily coffee ritual can be a powerful tool for maintaining and improving your health after 50. Avoid sugary, artificially flavored, and low-quality coffees. Instead, embrace black coffee, espresso, and green coffee for their numerous health benefits. Experiment with cold brew for a gentler, antioxidant-rich option, and consider adding lion's mane for an extra cognitive boost. Take action today. Start by swapping out one of your usual coffee drinks for a healthier option. Pay attention to how you feel over the next week. You might be surprised at the difference a simple change can make. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes for your health. With the right coffee choices, you can turn your daily brew into a potent elixir for longevity and vitality. Here's to your health and many more years of enjoying the perfect cup of coffee.